поздно смотреть, наверное, Лёш.
Чего поздно? А, нет, нормально.
На эти.
Что плоско смотреть? Я плоско смотрю, я не смотрю. Так, ну что, поехали?
Подожди. Поехали.
Второй.
Да. Как? Лёша, начал распор будет, давай я чуть-чуть её
Ты поднимай.
выше. Чтоб чуть-чуть. Головой я занес чуть-чуть. К тебе там можно, а то здесь меня упирается.
У меня тут сломался это. Что, вот так ко мне можно? Погодите, давайте я вставлю. Потому что у меня сломанный этот.
Вставляй. Давай ее отрежем, чтобы она тогда хоть хорошая доска.
Ну, отрежем потом. Слезай. Ты мешаешь. Вот.
Давайте отпущу.
Пусти.
Качественная доска.
Качественная доска.
That, guys, will be a very fast project. I hope very fast, and I hope very easy, because I'm not going to invest a lot of time into it and also a lot of money. I have found such a box that is to play chess. Found it at my Dacha storage, so a very old box. Definitely we are not going to use it any longer. It is in a very poor condition. This lock is broken. Also, these parts are broken, so they, how is to say, шатаются, so they do not fix the box properly. So I have ordered some parts on AliExpress. So these ones, in Russian they are called petli. I don't know the English name. So such metal plates to connect to covers. And also such a hook I have ordered also on AliExpress. And here will be some corners just for decoration. No particular purpose, because you see this corner is very, very bad, in a very bad condition. So I want to put some corners here, and maybe to paint the board with something. I don't know, maybe with some paint or maybe with some varnish. So maybe I will leave it as it is because, guys, I want to use this box for painting. In Russian, it is called etudnik. Here you put a canvas, and here the paint, the liquid to paint. So, and you use the box if you go somewhere to paint, for example, to some beautiful lake, to the forest. At first, guys, I wanted to throw this box away, but then this idea came into my mind, and as I like to do some DIY projects, so I decided to use this box for my painting. I'm not sure whether I'm going to do something with it because I like rustic style, vintage style. This box, guys, is definitely vintage because you see, here is some stamp. It was produced in the times of the Soviet Union, первый сорт, the first category of quality, the stamp from the factory, and I will leave it here. So I think it will be very nice. So no need to make the box old. It is already old. So at first I wanted to place some picture here, but now I think it will be also fun because here some scratches, here someone put the mark or the glass, you see the circle. So definitely the board was used not properly, not to play this game, but for some other purposes. So now that is how it is. I'm not going to film the process. I will just show you the ready result. Today, guys, at the end of the video, we'll show you one of my oil paintings. The size of this picture is 50 by 35 centimeters. That is canvas. And my favorite size, guys, honestly speaking, it's not small and not big. So if the size is very small, it's very difficult to pay attention to details. If the size is very big, I do not feel very comfortable while painting. So at the moment, that is my favorite size, 35 by 50 centimeters. Like this picture because the colors here are живописные, picturesque. We'll show you it a little bit closer. So guys, thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you soon in the next episode. Пока.